Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create mockup in Canva. Now, as you can see here, I'm in Canva and I have a blank canvas, and I'm going to just show you the basics of how to create a mockup. Once you're inside the canvas, you want to go ahead and add your picture or whatever designs that you want to use to create a mockup. Now, I'm on the photos section here on Canvas and on Canva, and I'm going to just simply choose something here. Let me go ahead and find something that I can use. In your case, you can basically choose whatever you want. I'm going to just choose a random design. So let's say I would like to use, let me go ahead and choose maybe type of bottle, for example. Let's say I want to choose something with a bottle. I don't know whatever I want to choose, but you get a general idea. So let me say I want to choose this juice. So this is going to be my mockup. So let's say this is what I want to create a mockup about. All you have to do is just simply add your images to the Canva. Once you click on the image, go ahead and click on edit. And then you want to go ahead and scroll down towards the bottom. Under the apps section, you will find the mockups. Simply click on mockups and you will be greeted with a ton of different type of mockups that you can create. So it doesn't matter what you choose. So there's all different kind of things that you can really create. Yeah, if I had a design, I could easily choose, for example, something with a bottle or whatever it might be. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and do so. I'm going to go ahead and just remove this image, and let me go ahead and just find something from my uploads here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, this in video. So let's say this is what I want to create a mockup about in video. So I click in video, then click on edit, and then I will scroll down and find mockups. And let's say this in video I want to put it in a cup. All I have to do is just go ahead and click on this glass or this cup here, and once I click on the cup, it's going to go ahead and generate for me. And have a look at that. In video is now on the cup, right? So you can always position and adjust it to your liking, right? So let me go ahead and find something more. We can go ahead and we can test it again. So let's find something else. It could be on a computer, right? I can go ahead and I can choose this PC, and as you see, once I select the PC, it's going to go ahead and put in video on the screen. That's not so amazing because it has a black screen, but if it was a white logo, you would see. So let me say, for example, I want to do the in video logo. I can click on it, click on edit, and then I can scroll down and choose the mockup. So let's say I want to choose a computer. I can scroll down, I can choose this computer, and you will see that it finds it now and it's added in video on it, and you can adjust it and crop it to your liking. So guys, depending on whatever mockup you want to create, you can easily use the power of Canva to create mockups. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.